Hey guys, welcome back to Social Net. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your online banking account on Bendigo Bank. If you have already registered for Bendigo Online Banking account, then now you can log into your account using the login credentials that you have set while registering for your account. The process to log into your account is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. By the completion of the login process, you can have access to your financial transactions, account histories and details, payments, fund transfers and many more from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop. On the search bar, search for bendigobank.com.au. And once you land onto an interface like this, go and tap onto the login option here. By tapping on it, you'll be directed to the login page of Bendigo Online Banking account. But before we get started with the login process, there are a few things that you need to keep in your mind. You cannot log into your online banking account on Bendigo Bank if you haven't registered for it at the first place. So in order to do that, all you have to do is just go and tap onto the register option here and start the registration process. And by the completion of the registration process, you will be provided with the access ID and a set of password that you can log into your account with. So go to access ID text field and enter your access ID provided by the bank. Then go to the password text field and enter the password that you have set while registering for your account. If needed, enter the security token in the text field here. If you want this site to remember your access ID, then just go and tap on to remember my access ID option here. But do not tap onto this box if you are using any public or shared device. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can just go and tap onto I forget my password option here and reset your password. And once you are done entering your login information, just go and tap onto the login option here. And by tapping on it, you will have successfully logged into your Bendigo Online Banking account. So with all this information, I think you can log into your online banking account in no time. And this will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.